With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is, the spinel structure AB2O4 consists of a FCC array of oxide ions in which the first option is a cation occupies 1/8 of the tetrahedral holes, B cation occupied the half of the octahedral holes, cation occupies 1/4 of the tetrahedral holes, and B cations the octahedral holes. Cation occupies 1/8 of the octahedral hole, B tetrahedral, a cation occupies 1/4 of the octahedral hole, and B cation the tetrahedral hole. So we over here are given 4 options and we are supposed to tell which one is correct option for the spinel structure AB2O4 that consists of FCC array of oxide ions, right? So we're gonna see what is the spinel structure AB2O4. We are given AB2O4, right? This is our spinel structure, and specifically a normal spinel because it is AB2O4 type of spinel, right? So the first thing that we're gonna discuss is the divalent cation A2 positive, right? This A over here is A2 positive. So this divalent cation A2 positive is basically occupying the 1/8 of the tetrahedral voids. So in case of normal spinal structure, what happens is that A2 positive occupies the 1/8 of the tetrahedral voids, whereas the second, the B over here is what? B plus 3. This is a trivalent cation. So B3 positive or the trivalent B cation, this occupies half of the octahedral voids, right? So these are the 2 things we need to remember for the normal spinal structure of the formula AB2O4, right? Now we are given that we have FCC lattice unit cell, right? So FCC, that means we have the atoms present at face centers and plus are at corners, right? Now what is the thing that face centers are 6 in number and each has a contribution of 1/2. We have 8 corners, each has a contribution of 1/8. So this is going to go by 3, this is going to go by 1. So this would be 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. That means the number of atoms in each unit cell would be 4, right? So let's suppose these are n, right? Then we are talking about octahedral voids and tetrahedral voids. So octahedral voids, we know, are always what? They are n in number. That means they're going to be 4, and tetrahedral voids are 2n in number. That means they're going to be 8, right? If we put this over here and see that we have A2 positive cation, right? This is basically present in 1/8 of the tetrahedral voids. 1/8 of the tetrahedral voids means tetrahedral voids are 8, right? So they're going to be 1 in number. And then if we talk about the trivalent cation B3, this is present in half of the octahedral voids. Octahedral voids are 4. So this is going to be 2 in number. So the ratio between A2 positive and B3 positive is 1:2, right? Now we're going to see our options. First option is saying that the A cation occupies 1/8 of the tetrahedral holes and B cation occupy half of the octahedral holes. That is what we have seen, right? That the A2 positive is occupying 1/8 of the tetrahedral voids and B is half of the octahedral voids. So this is the correct option with respect to the spinal structure that is given to us. Then they are saying a cation occupies 1/4 of the tetrahedral holes. This is not correct because we have 1/8 of the octahedral holes. Then they are saying cation occupy 1/8 of the octahedral hole. That is again not correct because we have half of the octahedral voids, right? So this is also not correct. A cation occupies 1/4 of the octahedral holes. That is also not correct because we have 1/2 of the octahedral voids. So the only correct option for this question is option number 1. So our answer to this question is first.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.